What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Johnny A, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. Hope you guys are all doing good on this Wednesday. So today we are on September 11th. So before I begin the video on my Robinhood account, on my Robinhood portfolio, keep in mind I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing into any stock or cryptocurrency. So before I head on to Robinhood, I want to go over the news regarding YMAX and YMAG. Obviously, that's the great thing about being in a Discord chat. Shout out to Kamar and Retire on Dividends Discord. A lot of people just shared the article on YMAX and YMAG. It looks like they are filing for weekly distributions. You guys can see here, each fund intends to distribute weekly to its shareholders substantially all of its investments, company taxable income, and so on and so on. So basically what they want to do is make YMAG and YMAX weekly, they want to distribute weekly dividends. Personally, I feel like they're trying to compete with Roundhill with their funds like QDTE, XDTE, and I believe the other new fund, I forgot what it, RDTE I think it's called. But I think they're trying to compete with them. This is just my personal opinion. I don't know. But this will be interesting to see. The great thing about the YMAX and YMAG is that I didn't sell any of my shares. I still have my shares here. Let's head on to third week, which is what I was focusing on this week into heading into next week, because apparently they were going to announce distributions next Tuesday, I believe. But now with that news, I don't know what's going to happen. So we're going to have to wait and see. But I still got 408 shares of YMAX and 352 shares of YMAG. So for the day, they both did pretty good. I mean, up 16 cents. YMAG is up 27 cents, and I kept on buying. I put like a good 15 bucks. I think with YMAX as well. I'm down in both places, where YMAG has been doing the best. But obviously YMAX has the higher distribution because it has all those other funds in there. But that's going to be interesting to see with that weekly distribution, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm still going to hold on to them and see what happens. And like I said, I think they're trying to compete with Roundhill with their new funds, their XDTE, QDTE, RDTE. I feel like that's what they're trying to do. They don't want people to leave any of the YieldMax funds, so they're trying to make them better. And hopefully it does work for them. I hope it works for all of us. You know, we want to make income. That's the main purpose of these funds. Obviously, it would be great to see the NAV stay more stable. Not because I'm down in a lot of these plays, like with Coney and MSTY. I mean, Coney, I'm down. I'm bleeding down $3,000. With MSTY, I'm down $1,900. So my NAV has been dropping like a rock. But obviously, these are the risks you take with investing into these funds. So I'm being very transparent with you guys. You know, I'm not scared to show you guys if I'm down $10,000. I'm going to show you guys when I'm down, when I'm up. A lot of YouTubers don't like to do that, but I am. I'm going to show you guys what I'm investing to. I don't even care if I'm buying $1 worth of stock. I do that with the high growth and dividends, like the growth and dividends section of my portfolio. I have a lot of new plays in here now, which I also want to go over that I added. Now, this is just what I'm doing. I like all these companies. I'm holding onto them for the long term, and they pay out dividends every quarter, every 2-3 months, 6 months, whatever the case. You guys gonna have to research that. But this is what I'm getting into. Waste management, I got in there, and you guys can see I only threw $2 in there. Black Hills, I threw $5. National Fuel Gas, I am up 3 cents. You know, Kimberly Clark. Federal Realty Investment Trust, I threw $3. Universal Holding, I threw $2. 3M, ticker symbol MMM, I threw in $4. Let's see what else they got. JP Morgan Chase, threw in $5. Nike, threw in $7. Texas Instruments, I got $6. You know, these are plays I'm adding. Caterpillar, MasterCard, Visa, Microsoft, Apple. I think I went over these in another video, but those are my growth and dividends for the long term, like 5, 6, 7, 10 plus years. These high yield ones, I'm holding on to them to see how they perform, at least in the next year or two. That doesn't mean I won't get out of any of the plays. I might consider selling. But as far as the REITs I probably will hold on to for the long term. But so far, it's been, I'm still a little bit skeptical about the high yield ones. Obviously, because I'm down big, the NAV isn't too stable. The one I've liked the most that has been, I think, in my opinion, been doing pretty good is the Defiance one. So IWMY, even though I'm down 1,600, they've been paying, their distributions have been insanely high. So like I've been making way more from their distribution than I'm down in total return. I think I've made, let's see if I could show you guys. Let's head on to my history real quick. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's go to individual and dividends. So if we add up all the distributions from IWMY, so they gave me $764 this month. Let's add that. And then they gave me, for August, they gave me $543. And then they gave me, that was before the reverse split. Okay, so in July, they gave me $419. Okay, so that's $1,700 plus dollars. In June, they gave me another $109. Okay, we're at $1,008. In May, they gave me another $100 plus $100. All right, I don't know if, I think that might be the last one. Let me just double check. Yeah, so I got in IWMY in May. I'm down how much? Let's see. We are down $1,617. Okay, so we made a total of $1,935 just by their dividends. $1,600 and I said $17. So I'm technically up in IWMY $318 just by their dividends paying me. So IWMY has been doing great for me. A lot of people don't see that. They gotta add the dividends up and see what the difference is from their total return. So IWMY has been doing great. That one I plan to hold on to. SPY T I'm liking as well. SPY T, even though I'm down $2, the NAV has been pretty stable. They've been around $19 for the last, I think, couple weeks, months. So far they're doing good. I'm gonna hold on to SPY T. JetB and JetQ, obviously those have been in the market for a long time. But the other YieldMax funds, the YieldMax has been doing pretty bad. Coney, MSTY, YMAX, YMAG, and I think that's about it. All the other ones, I'm actually not even liking FEPI too much. I mean, I've been this one, but it's just been going down ever since. I'm down $5. Doesn't look like it's holding on. With Clip actually looks like it's been doing somewhat better, but I mean, I would have to do the same thing. I'm still think I'm down in Clip, but not by a lot. So I'm gonna hold on to Clip and see what it does in the next 2-3 months. It might be something similar to IWMY, so I might just hold on to Clip, but we'll see. As far as anything I did buying or selling in my portfolio, I didn't sell anything. Obviously, I try not to. I try to hold on to these plays. YMAX and YMAG is the next distributions I should be receiving. But now that they filed for the weekly distributions, I might have to take them off the third week and find. I probably am going to stick with SPYI, PSCC for third week. Unless any of you guys watching the video know of any good payers for third week. But we'll see what happens with the news for YMAX and YMAG, guys. But the portfolio is at $50K, up $260. Margin, I'm down. I've used $309 of margin. I'm still at low risk. I'm not paying any interest. And you guys can see here, my margin maintenance is at $16,000. And no interest paid on margin, so that's good to see. So Yeah, guys, that's basically all I have for you guys today. You know, I did buy some shares, added some more companies, added more shares to the positions I have now. Let's see how the rest of the week plays out. Uh, Let me just go over the dividends and see if we got anything new coming in. It doesn't look like it. It looks like all these other ones are still pending for my individual. Tonight is the 11th, so that means AG and C will pay. Tomorrow will be Home Depot. Then on Friday will be Realty Income, Main Street, and then next week we got more plays coming in. Let's see how, like I said, let's see how YMAG and YMAX do for next week. Hopefully we get some money in there in the portfolio with those two plays. So I'll keep you guys up to date. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Any questions, comments down below, leave them in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer them. You can also follow me on Instagram, on TikTok. Check out the links down below. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, definitely check out my link. We both get a free stock. So I appreciate all of you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.